Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at hintayin ang mga tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.
Passengers with onward connection on Palm flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking Palm flights departing from NAIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. On behalf of Captain Michael Sabitsana, First Officer Henrik Choi, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Manatiling nakaupo hanggang hindi pa natatawag ang inyong row numbers para sa maayos na pagbaba.